Okay, so chicos, we're going to have a look at the future tense today and the real future tense. So until now, we have learnt the going to future tense. For example, voy a trabajar. I am going to work. So voy a plus an infinitive. Okay, so and we have a similar tense in English, don't we? I'm going to go to the supermarket, or I'm going to buy such and such. We now need to learn the will or shall tense. So there's another version of the future tense in English as well. Okay, and it's very easy. One set of endings. Okay, so unlike other tenses we've learned, there's only one set of endings, which is wonderful. A few irregulars, which we'll come on to afterwards. Now, it's super easy to form. And unlike other tenses we've looked at so far, for the first time now we're going to use the infinitive to form it. So not the stem. Okay, not the stem. So we use the infinitive and a set of endings. So in other words, we leave on the AR, ER, and IR. So this may be a strange development for you. Now, here you can see the endings. So the endings we're going to put on are as, a, hemos, eis, an. You'll be wondering why 3 are in one colour and 3 in another colour. The reason is that I'm simply highlighting to you the letter they start with. So it's an interesting set of endings, really. 3 of them start with E and 3 with A. Notice there's one ending that does not have an accent, only one ending. Okay? So, if we use comer, for example, we take the infinitive, and there you can see the infinitive, comer, and we put the ending straight on after it. Okay? So it may look a bit strange to you, that, because we've always worked with the stem until now, with creating verbs and conjugating them. Okay, so comeré, I will eat. Comerás, you will eat. Okay, comerá, comeremos, comeréis, comerán. Straightforward enough. And the good news is these endings we can also apply for the AR and IR verb. So I've taken an ER as an example, but it doesn't matter if we use an AR or an IR, it's going to be exactly the same. And that is as simple as I can make it. That is the future tense for you, the real future. Okay, for saying how I will or shall do something. We could translate that as shall in English as well. Okay. The best thing to do is try and write a few of these out to take a regular AR verb, maybe escuchar, okay, an regular IR verb. You could take vivir, to live, and just write out the 6 parts, adding these endings. Okay, you can also practice these on the relevant set on Quizlet, which I can add to this. But also remember you've got Espanol Extra as well to use. Okay, so I hope that makes sense and you feel clear on what you're doing. Okay.